Okay, taste test time.
Taste test, we got here Venison Rounds. Some of the best meat you can eat. Natural, hasn't been adulterated, comes from the earth, just free roaming. And it's gonna heal and repair our body. Taste test.
Okay.
If you wanna weigh to a man's heart, protein. That's what I can say.
A fresh green salad with peach white balsamic dressing that I just made with apple cider vinegar and olive oil. We have some fresh peaches on there and some feta cheese. Easy peasy.
That's good.
Butternut squash, paprika, and stir.
That's a lot of meat, man. This is gonna go straight to my muscles, my wife's muscles and my son's muscles. It's gonna repair and heal us.
Everything is
Move up my grill here, my griddle. Nice and moist. Gotta lay them on here.
By the hard work I know it takes me to recognize whatever you do.
Do it a lot.
Do it a lot. Never stop.
A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And yeah, you're good to go. All right, I'm gonna flip them. It's been 4 minutes.
Those look amazing.
They do, don't they? Protein is what makes me happy. I'm a simple man.
Does it tickle your fancy?
It tickles my fancy, man.